Hi, so this is a quick video review on the Scheppach DS405V. Second one I've had. First one had a fault where the motor meets the bottom arm. So I took it back, and this is the second one, and using it for about 10 minutes and found that there was a slight issue with it. And I'll try and demonstrate that to you now. Basically, we switch it on. Well, there you go. That's fault number 2. just put it on and the bulb's blue. Fine. Right. Okay. So we'll get it out of the way. So again, Scheppach for you. So start that. Start cutting. Okay, now adjust the speed up to half. And as you can see, it goes slightly mental. So this one will be going back also. So my advice to you: don't buy a Scheppach DS405V because they're a load of crap. Thank you.